All right, welcome to math class, Intro to Algebra. Period 2, we're going to be solving equations using the distributive property. Who's excited? Who's with me?
No.
Yes, Gwendolyn, thank you. All right, what I want you guys to do is write this problem down right here on, not that one, I want you guys to write down this one right here, put a number 1 on your paper and give yourself some space. This is a perfect class. We don't blurt out unless it's the correct time. We're all mathematical scholars in here. So what I want you guys to do is write it down, give yourself some space. All right, I want you guys to put a little line right here, right? Some people call it a wall, right? There's different ways to do these, but I think the best step on this problem is we're going to use the distributive property right here. So just draw those little lines in right there. I know some of you guys already know how to do this. Stay calm, we're good. So let's go ahead and distribute that negative 2. I think if we distribute that, that's going to be negative 2x, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now if we distribute it again, a lot of people put just like minus 6 right here. I think it's because the elementary school teachers just tell you like, they're just like, drop it down, kids. That doesn't work all the time. It's negative 2 times negative 6, which is positive what?
12.
12. So put a plus 12 right there, right? And then once you get right here, you want to organize everything. Just drop it down. And then who can tell us next step right here? Who's got the next step in the problem? Michelle, go ahead.
You add 12 and 7.
Yeah, so we want to combine like what?
Like terms.
Like terms. Okay. You're good. Okay, so we want to put, this is 19 right here. This is 19. Drop everything else down. That's negative 2x plus 19 equals 35. And because this class is so smart, go ahead and solve that. That's a two-step equation. We already know how to do those. So go ahead and solve that. If you have the answer, don't say anything. Give everyone ample time. And you'll look up, and we should have an answer that matches, but don't blurt out. That would be awesome if you could not do that. Okay. Raise your hand if you have the answer already. Okay, you have to wait for me. Everyone say the answer at once.
8.
Say it again.
Negative 8.
Negative 8. I thought someone said 8. You guys did it on purpose. 8. Fix it. If you don't have 8, it should be 8. Now, you could check this if you wanted to. Negative 8. I need to make sure I write that negative 8. Who told me that I forgot? Thank you, Mr. Farhad. I appreciate that. Now, if you're checking this right here, you can plug that negative 8 in. I should say substitute right there and check it out. It should be 35. Next problem. We'll talk about checking it later. Take a look at this one. Write it down. Number 3. It happens to be number 3. Don't start it yet. We're doing these together so I can show the world.
Number 2. Yeah.
This is number 2.
What's going on with that one?
Thank you. Did that on purpose. Okay? Now, before we solve this and get this correct, there's something we need to do to this problem. Does anyone see it? Anyone see what we need to write on this problem before we start? Because there's something that's going to throw us off. Yeah?
The wall?
Well, okay, let's get the wall in here. That's not really what I was talking about, but let's get it set up. Schweigler.
You gotta put a 1 and the minus.
Okay, you guys see right here? There is a 1 right here, and you need to put that in here. I like to kind of write it big so we can see it. Okay, there's a negative 1 right there. So let's go ahead. We need to distribute the negative 1 first, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Get your lines in there. I'll change colors for you. Negative 1 times 4x is minus 4x, right? Negative 1 times negative 1, is that negative 1 or positive 1?
Negative.
Positive. Okay? We're looking for people getting involved. It's okay if you have a wrong answer, right? Drop everything else down. Drop the negative 20. Okay. Now, who knows next step? Who knows next step? Jared Farhad. Yes.
Add up. Or no?
Well, not quite.
Alright, then, now I know this. Combine 20, negative 20 and 1.
That's correct. Which would be what?
Negative 21. Negative 19.
Negative 19. Okay. Classic example of think time. Gotta let Farhad, he made a mistake, he fixed it. That's negative 19. So I'm gonna put minus 19 right here. Drop down the minus 4x. Drop down the negative 15. We should know how to do this from here. We've already had a couple lessons on this, so go ahead and solve it. See if your answer matches mine. And if you have it, don't blurt out. Just save it for a second. You know, add 19 to both sides. I don't know the answer yet. You should be able to get it before me. Now everyone should go ahead and shout out the answer right now. What is
One.
I'm gonna be on
it? Is it 1 or is it negative 1?
It's
It's negative 1.
Negative one.
one.
Hey.
You got that right. You got negative 1. All right. Good job. We're going to do one more for the demonstration, right? It's going to get a little bit harder. So go ahead and write this problem down. This is our number 3, right? Yes, I can count. I just learned. Okay. Let's try this one. Put a number 3 on your paper. And as Schwegler said, we need to write in a what? A 1 right there, okay? You want to get that into this problem? Okay. And go ahead, put a little line. Now, this is a lot of pressure, but we'll give someone the opportunity. Does someone want to do this problem on the inner pad right now?
I'll do it, Coach.
And, okay, Dylan, you're going to go for it. I need people mature. While he's doing it, you guys can go ahead and try it right now. And he's just going to go, he's going to freelance it. And it's live. Dylan, you can do this, buddy. Positive phrases. You can do this. You can do this.
Hey, starting off good.
And you might need the eraser.
You didn't click it.
He's got this.
It's gonna take up.
I got the hang of it now.
No, wrong one.
That's the highlighter. Okay. This isn't a video on how to use the InnerWrite software.
It's the one above.
Okay. Grab the pen. Okay.
Dude.
Kyle? Okay. All right, here he goes. We'll help them together. We got 38 people on this, including myself. Okay. You can talk to us. That would be great.
You move the one.
Okay. He's distributing. Okay. Negative 10. I think that's negative 10. Now, what is that? Hang on a second here.
10.
Do you have negative 10 minus 10?
No.
That's
I'll read you the hell on.
okay.
Come on.
Grab the pen.
Get your head in the game.
Alright.
Yeah, okay. Let's try it again, Dylan.
Hey.
Stay focused. We're on your team.
Negative 10. And then
Negative
positive 1x.
No.
Yeah?
Correct.
Yeah.
That's correct. Don't forget the X. Dylan, believe in yourself.
Yeah, Dylan.
Okay. Pick up the speed slightly.
It's hard. Oh.
You're doing good. We're going to let you go all the way on it. Does anyone have the answer yet?
You better not say it. You better not say it.
Okay.
Come on, Dylan.
Hey.
Mine like
Come on, shut up.
Positive comments.
Alright.
Yeah, we're in 8th grade.
You're doing great, Dylan.
6x, he combined like terms. Drop down the minus 10, the equal sign.
Ooh, I'm going good right now.
He's adding 10 to both sides.
Dylan, it's negative 6x. Dude, please stop.
He's got it. Dylan, write a negative.
Yeah.
He's got it.
Oh,
Michael.
that was bad.
No, no, you're good. You're good. I can read it.
Alright, that's a 4.
That's a 4. That's negative 58 plus 10.
Is that a 4?
Okay.
Really?
Drop down the equal. Negative 6. He divides. Can he come up with the answer?
8.
8. All right, everyone give Dylan a round of applause.